How to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, understand the issue. Previously in WhatsApp setting, under the chat option you could choose the media upload quality directly. However, with recent updates, this option has been removed to different location. So don't worry. First of all, update your application. Launch Play Store or App Store. Now search for WhatsApp. Access it and if there is update, update it. Now launch WhatsApp. Now you have to search for the option of stories and data on your updated version. And here you will see media upload quality has been moved to this section. Open it and you have to set to standard quality or SD quality as per your convenience. So let's choose to standard quality and tap on save button. After that come back. Now you can easily open a particular chat or group chat. Now tap paperclip icon at bottom right and then choose gallery. Here you can choose any kind of picture or image or video and then choose SD at top right corner of the screen. And here you can easily save this item to SD quality as well. So you can tap the save button at bottom right and your issue will be fixed. But if not yet, you need to restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and then you can slide towards restart. So you need to easily get the option back once you have to follow this step. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.